Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Uman and I'll be going through today's topic, which is parking specifically around UTM. Have you ever had a hard time trying to find a parking while going to classes or maybe to cafes around UTM? Well, we have a solution for you. Introducing Smart Parking UTM, a real-time parking availability system. Now, you can scan the QR code for the demo apps. Now, I believe our product is in line with Sustainable Development Goals with SDG 9, which is Industry, Innovation and Infrastructure, SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities, and SDG 13, which is Climate Action. Now, according to our statistic, around 60 students arrived late because parking was full. 40 missed at least one class due to parking delays, and 72 students says parking congestion is worse near DSI and FKE. How can we develop a system that helps students locate available parking spaces in real time to reduce traffic, congestions and lateness? That's what our product is here for, a smart parking sensor plus mobile apps which show real-time map of available parking space. For the value proposition is to save time, less fuel consumption and better campus traffic flow. Our customer segment includes students, lecturers, staff and visitors.
So here are the main channels that we are going to reach to our users. Digital bot, which is UTM Smart. How are we going to communicate to our customers, which is by using the feedback channel. But the key resources that we are used here is HTML, CSS, JS codes by using visual codes, and then using real-time database by using Firebase, and also simulated parking data and coordinates, and also visual map interfaces. Key activities, which is starting from designing the web interface, and then setting up the Firebase real-time database, and then by mapping the parking coordinates, and then I integrated the real-time updates, and then lastly we tested and refined the demo. The key partners here are UTM, Firebase, Google Cloud, or like DevTool, and also beta testers. For us now, our cost structures are RM because starting from development tools till the map integration, we didn't spend any money on it. So that's why development tools, backend hosting, map integrations are free. But for the future cost, we might need to pay for hardware and also domain name, which is 40 to 80 ringgit per year. The revenue streams are parking management service fee, which is charges institution for installation, setup, maintenance, and then customer interaction service, where we charge a certain amount for customizing the system for the other universities or other buildings, and the premium features which for the future expansions purposes. Our competitive analysis is competitive one is our traditional parking system because the weaknesses are no real-time availability, user message manually like by going around and around, waste of time and waste of fuel. The second competitor is full IoT smart parking systems like those in the malls, like those in the certain government offices. They use sensors and cameras and it actually gives accurate real-time detection. Ours is just based on the software and how user using the software. So there is some advantage, which is like it's a simple low cost solution and built specifically for UTM environment, and there's no hardware installation, so that's why it is free and it's not that expensive for us. And then the challenges that we faced is less of real data, technical limitation of free tools, and the difficulty of scaling from a demo to a real system because of the parking coordinates, because of the database that it's kind of hard to get it from UTM. In terms of cost and long-term return viability, the first thing that we're going to mention here is low initial cost because we build this by using free tools like Visual Code, Firebase, Free Tire, and also the coding is actually definitely free. And there's no sensor, there's no hardware, and there's no pay service needed. And the second is high viability for future expansion. Like this can be scaled into a real system with sensors and premium features if UTM invests into us, and the potential revenue from licensing to other campuses or facilities. Therefore, in that we actually can earn more and also can get more through it. And lastly is minimum maintenance cost because Firebase hosting and database can remain free or in very low cost, which is 90 ringgit per year, which we can also like invest because our model are like very low, and the system only needs simple updates over the time. And in market validation, our market validation basically low development cost, low maintenance cost, and high potential long-term returns. Scalable for future expansion as I mentioned earlier, and it is also highly valuable. Thank you.